Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new chapter, chapter 4, shapes and patterns. Shapes and patterns. Okay. All of you take your text, page number 112. 112. Let us begin with some questions. First one, draw the following shapes. Draw the following shapes: square, triangle, rectangle and circle. Square, triangle, rectangle and circle. Okay. Second one is, observe and complete the given pattern till the end of the line. Observe the complete given pattern till the end of the line. First one is, draw the following shapes. Draw the following shapes. Okay. Square. 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 How to draw? Do you know that? Square has four sides. All sides are equal. This is square. This is square. Then next one is triangle. 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 Left, right. Triangle. Triangle. Triangle has only three sides. Only three sides. Okay. Okay. Next one is rectangle. Next one is rectangle. Rectangle also four sides, but only two sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. And this side and this side and this side and this side. Then our last shape is circle. Last is circle. Circle. This is circle. Okay. Square, triangle, rectangle and circle. Square, four shapes are the square, triangle, rectangle and circle. Okay. Did you finish? Okay. Next one is, observe and complete the given pattern till the end of the line. Okay. അവിടെ ഒരു ലൈൻ കണ്ടോ? ആ ലൈനിൽ കുറേ ഒരേ ഷേപ്സിൽ അല്ലേ, ഒരേ പാറ്റേണിൽ വരച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ആയിട്ട് ആ പാറ്റേൺ നോക്കിയിട്ട് വരയ്ക്കുക നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, പേജ് നമ്പർ 113. 113. Second one is your homework. Okay. Square. 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 A square has four sides and four vertices. A square has four sides and four vertices. Vertices means corner. Vertices means corner. Okay. This is the shape of square. This is the shape of square. Okay. Square. 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 PQRS. P Q R S. Square P Q R S. Okay. How many sides are there? 4 sides. How many vertices? 4 vertices. Okay. Vertices. 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 Vertices is P, Q, R and S. This one P and this one Q and this is R and this 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 vertices P, Q, R, S. Vertices എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? അരിക് അല്ലേ? ഇതിൻ്റെ ഈ അരിക് അല്ലേ? ഇതിനെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? വെർട്ടിസൈസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. P, Q, R, S. Square has 4 vertices. Square has 4 vertices. Okay. Then sides. How many sides are there? Sides. How many sides? 4 sides. PQ. This is one side and this one QR. QR. This is another one. Okay, then next one. Next side is RS. RS. This is another side. Then SP. SP. SB is another side. All of you look at the board. All of you look at the board. Board is square shape. Square shape. Okay. Square has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides. PQ is one side, then QR, then RS and SP. Okay. PQ, then another side is QR, another side is RS, another side is SP. Our desk. Our desk is rectangle shape. Okay. This is square. Square has how many sides are there? Square. Square has 4 sides, 4 vertices. Square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay. PQRS. Vertices is P, Q, R and S. Then sides are PQ, QR, RS, SP. Okay. Can you follow me? Okay. Our next shape is rectangle. Our next shape is rectangle. Okay. Rectangle. How to draw? Okay. Our desk is rectangle shape. Desk is rectangle shape. Okay. Listen here. A rectangle, 2 sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. This side and this side and this side and this side. Okay. This is This is the shape of rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay. Rectangle A, B, C, D. A rectangle A, B, C, D. The given figure, vertices A, then B, then C, and then D. A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. How many sides are there? How many sides? 4 sides. 4 sides. Okay. A, B. This is one side. The another is B, C, C, D and D, A. All of you listen here. A, B is one side. Another side is B, C. Next one is C, D. Next one is D, C. Okay. A, B. Then B, C. Next side. C, D. Next side is C. D, A. D, A. Okay, I will explain one more time. Rectangle has 4 sides. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Rectangle A, B, C, D. Vertices is A, B, C, D. Vertices is A, B, C, D. Okay. Then sides is A, B. Next one. B, C. Good. Next one. C, D. Next one. D, A. D, A. Okay. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Next one, our next shape is triangle. 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 A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertex. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertex. How to draw triangle? This is the shape of triangle. This is the shape of triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertex. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertex. Okay. Triangle XYZ. Triangle XYZ. XYZ. How many vertex are there? How many vertices? Only 3. Vertices 3. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. How many sides? Only 3 sides. X, Y, Z, Z, X. Sides X, Y, Z, X. Okay. X, Y is the one side. Y, Z is another side. Z, X is the another side. I will explain one more time. This is the shape of triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides and 3 vertex. 3 sides and 3 vertices. X, Y, Z is the vertices and sides are X, Y, Y, Z, Z, Y, Z, X is the sides. Okay. Our next shape is circle. Circle. How to draw circle? Did you know? Okay. This is the circle. This is the shape of circle. This is the shape of circle. Okay. Circle. A circle has no vertex and no sides. A circle has no vertices and no sides. Circle sides undo? No. And no vertex. Okay. A circle has 0 vertex and 0 sides. Okay. The next one. Next one is exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. All of you take your text. Page number, next page number 114. 114. Observe the given figures and answer the following questions that follow. Okay, look at the table. Look at this table. Okay. Name of the figure. Name of the figure. Number of vertices. Name of the vertices. Number of sides. Name of the sides. Okay. Listen here. Name of the figure. Name of the figure. Number of vertices. Number of vertices. Name of the vertices. Name of the vertices. Number of side. Number of sides. Then names of the sides. Names of the sides. Okay. Listen here. This is the shape of triangle. This one circle. Then our next picture is this. Our next shape is this. Okay. A B C A B C P Q R S P Q R S and W X Y Z. W X Y Z. All of you listen here. Name of the figure. Name of the figure. Which shape is this? Triangle. Okay. Right. Triangle. Triangle. All of you right? Then triangle. Number of vertices. Number of vertices. How many vertices are there? 1, 2 and 3. How many vertices? 3. Only 3 vertices. Okay, right here 3. Okay. Then name of the vertices. Name of the vertices. Name of the vertices. How name of the vertices? You just say name of the vertices. A, B and C. Okay, good. A, B and C. A, B and C. Okay. Number of sides. Number of sides. How many sides are there? How many sides of triangle? Only 3 sides. Only 3 sides. Our next question is name of the sides. Name of the sides. You just say name of the sides. Okay. A, B, correct. Another side. B, C. Another C. C, A. Okay, good. Good children. A, B, B, C and C, A. A, B, B, C and C, A. Okay. Sides are A, B, B, C and C, A. Okay, write it. Write it. Okay. Next one is, this is name of the figure. Circle. Circle. Okay. Number of vertices. Number of vertices. 0. 0. 0. Okay. Name of the vertices. Name of the vertices. No. Okay. Here also no. Then number of sides. Number of sides. Number of sides. 0. Okay. Name of the sides. Name of the sides. Name of the sides. Sides. No. Okay. Okay. This is a circle. Circle has no vertices and no sides. Circle has no vertices and no sides. Okay. Next one is, this is rectangle. Okay, rectangle. 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 Okay. Number of vertices. How many vertices are there? P. Okay, Q. Okay, R. S. Okay, P, Q, R, S. Only 4 vertices. 4 vertices. And name of the vertices. Name of the vertices. P, Q, R, S. Okay, P, Q, R, S. Okay. Next one is number of sides. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 sides. Only 4 sides. Okay. Next one is name of the sides. Name of the sides. P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, P. P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, P. P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, P. Okay. All of you write? Write it. Did you finished? Okay. This is, you write this last one. Name of the figure. Name of the figure. Okay, square. Okay. Then number of vertices. You just say how many number of vertices are there? Square has 4. Square has 4 vertices. Square has 4 vertices. Next one, name of the vertices. Okay, names are, you just say, okay, W, X, Y, okay, Z. Okay, good. W, X, Y and Z. Okay. Next one is number of sides. Number of sides. Number of sides. 4. Okay, only 4 sides. 4 sides. 1. Then next is, second is this. 2. Then third and fourth. 4 sides. Okay. Next one. Name of the sides. Name of the sides. Name of the sides. Okay. W. Okay, W, X. Then next side is X, Y. X, Y and next is okay, Y, Z. Y, Z and next is okay, Z, W, Z, W. Okay. W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, W. Okay. Okay, all of you listen here. I will explain one more time. This is triangle. Triangle has 3 vertices. The vertices is A, B, C. Only 3 sides. Sides is A, B, B, C and C, A. This is a circle. Circle has no vertices, no sides. Okay. Then this is triangle. Sorry. This is rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 vertices. Vertices is P. Vertices are P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R, S. Then 4 sides. Sides are P, Q, QRSSB. Okay, this is square. Okay, this is square. Square has four vertices. Vertices are W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Then four sides. Sides are W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, W. Okay. Write it. Write in your textbook. Did you finished? Okay. Students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.